Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a work or school Microsoft 365 account and that calendar access is enabled. Open Teams, desktop or web, and sign in. Once done, go to the Calendar tab. Choose the meeting type right away. Channel for team visibility, private for selected attendees, or live event for large audiences. Make sure you pick the correct time zone and calendar before proceeding, because that choice affects invites and availability when you set attendees and room resources. You now fill in the core details. Click New Meeting, enter a clear title and set date, start and end times. Add a channel or location if needed, then add attendees or a distribution list. Use the scheduling assistant to resolve conflicts and view free/busy info. Once attendees are set, choose recurrence if this repeats, attach an agenda or files, and open meeting options to control presenters, lobby behavior, and recording permissions so the meeting runs smoothly and securely. You finish by reviewing settings and clicking send. Make sure the invite appears in attendee calendars and that the meeting link is correct. When it's time, start from calendar, test camera and mic, and share your screen, record if required. If something goes wrong, attendees can't join or audio is missing, check meeting options, lobby settings, and permissions, then resend the invite. For persistent problems, collect basic logs and calendar sync status so support can troubleshoot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.